Ryan, we're back here with the Frostbite JL. Today we're going to be getting rid of the ugly plastic bumper. We got a new winch bumper, and then we're also going to put on that new Warren winch. So if you come in here, we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll take a look at the new bumper for you guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll get this box opened here. We'll take a look. This is going to be the Rugged Ridge Arcus stubby bumper and winch plate. And I got the one with the overrider, so it'll have the winch guard to it. It's pretty light, which is a good thing. Take a look at what's in this first box. Imagine this is the stamped steel portion of the bumper. They wrapped it really nice in foam. So yeah, so this is going to be that stamped steel bumper cover, and then I imagine that's going to be the winch plate for you. Alright, so we'll take a look at that other box. Alright, so this one is quite a bit heavier. I imagine this is going to be the winch plate for us. Yeah, they wrapped this really good. So I'll have to get this all unwrapped, and then we'll show you guys all the parts that come in here. Looks like Rugged Ridge did a really good job wrapping this all up. It wouldn't get damaged in transport. Yeah, so this is going to be the winch plate. And this is going to sit between the frame rails and house the winch, and then that bumper cover will cover the front. Let's take a look at what's in these other boxes here. So here is going to be the D-ring mount. These things are massive. We'll have to get them unwrapped there so you can get a better look at them. But this is where you'll be able to attach two different D-rings, and then you have a high lift jack point off here as well. I'll take a look in here. This is probably going to be hardware for us. Oh, no, this is going to be the fog light brackets. So you can reuse your factory fog lights. Well, that'll be nice. And it looks like just some mounting hardware in here for us. And instructions. Cool. Alright, so we'll get this all out so you guys can get a better look at it, and we'll get this on the Jeep for you. Alright, so I'll take a look at these boxes too. This is going to be the overrider portion of it, and this would be the guard for the winch. I got one more little box in here. Looks like we got some more heavy-duty hardware. I imagine this is probably hardware as well. Alright, it's going to be some more backing plates and a little hardware pack. Alright. Alright guys, go ahead and come in and take a look. This is what it looks like all unwrapped and out of the packaging. Looks like they did a really good job on the powder coat, and they had it all wrapped up pretty good so it didn't get damaged in shipping. So the cool thing about the Rugged Ridge setup is they kind of made it look similar styling wise to the Rubicon steel bumper group. And then they also include, you know, the heavy duty winch plate. So you can have a 12.5 pound winch on there as well. And then it also comes with the overrider, and then these heavy duty hooks for putting D-rings on and whatnot. So I think it's going to be a nice option. You also do get to reuse the factory fog lights, so that'll be nice as well. I think it'll look good with our new Warren winch. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the unboxing. I'm pretty excited to get this on the Jeep along with my Warren winch. So if you want to go ahead and follow along with us, we'll be installing this soon. Go ahead and like and subscribe, follow the channel. I'll also have a link on my Amazon store where you can go and check this out. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good one.